Skin Serum from Zinzino is the most advanced next generation skin serum. It's a 24-hour youth formulation that will keep your skin young and keep it healthy. Have you ever thought about what happens when we get a paper cut? Well, I've used that example other places as well, but in this case, I'll talk about the healing of our skin, how it's repaired with leaving no marks, no wrinkles, no coloration, no spots. And it is the same. If you look at my daughter, she's 1 year old, she gets a paper cut, she heals up. If you look at me, I'm 44 years old, I get a paper cut, my skin can heal it. And even my grandmother, she's 93 years old. When she gets a paper cut, her skin will also heal without leaving any wrinkles. So how come I got wrinkles on my forehead? Well, I didn't get the skin serum when I was young enough. When you're 22, you're actually producing less new cells than you're breaking down cells. And aging is a slow breakdown of your skin. So slow that your immune system doesn't detect it. Because when your immune system detects it, like in a paper cut, it can rebuild your skin very easily. It produces all the elastin, all the fibroblasts, and all of the collagens to make this skin perfect again. It doesn't have any problems with doing that. Most skin serums in the marketplace doesn't have the ability to activate your immune system to rebuild your skin, but the Zinzino Skin Serum does. How is it built? Well, we took all of the hydrating agents that you need, that all the other ones have too. We took all of the things that is stopping the oxidation of the skin, all of the antiseptics, all of the things that triggers the collagen production, the fibroblasts and the elastin, all of those things that everyone else put into their skin serums, we put into our skin serum as well. Maybe in a little bit better fashion, maybe with a little bit better sourcing, maybe with a little bit better combination of them. At least we like to believe that. But then we did something that no one else has done. We added the beta-glucans for our immune system, the 1216, which is a special development of it so you can apply it to your skin. What it does is that as soon as you apply that in the morning, we activate your immune system. So just like when you get a paper cut, your immune system gets activated. And when you add the skin serum to your face, we activate your immune system. And what happens? Well, your immune system starts repairing it in a whole different way than we could do with all of the other ingredients on their own. So that's why we see so incredible result when people start applying the skin serum. Personally, I like to do it in the morning and also in the evening because that's keeping my skin younger and it's giving me a glow.